Good morning, boys. Today is Monday, 17 August 2020. Today we are going to start the miracle of Unit 12. The first numerical problem: an object of 10 centimeters in front of convex mirror. Convex mirror is a diverging mirror. So the data convex mirror, the object is placed at a 10 centimeter in front of convex mirror. An image 5 centimeter behind the location of image. That is 5 centimeter behind the mirror. So virtual image will be formed, because we have already learned while we were studying the theory that for the diverging mirror, the virtual image and focal length will be considered. So in numerical problem, it will not be mentioned that you have to take Q or F as a negative, but it is automatically understandable that whenever the diverging mirror or diverging lens is there, the distance Q and focal length F will be considered as negative, and while we solve the numerical problems, we will put minus sign along with it. So the Q will be a minus 5 centimeter. We have to find the focal length. The formula, the mirror formula, that is 1 over F is equal to 1 over P plus 1 over P. We will put the values 1 over 10 plus 1 over minus 5. The value of Q will be taken as minus 1 over F plus 1 over minus 5. This plus sign and minus sign will multiply each other and it will become minus, and now the equation is 1 over F is equal to 1 over 10 minus 1 over 5. By taking LCM, we solve it and we get minus 1 over 10. 1 over F is equal to minus 1 over 10 and F is equal to minus 10 centimeter. The negative sign shows focal length is virtual. Now we are going to solve numerical number 12.2. Everybody keep focus on the book. Second numerical: an object 10 centimeter tall. 10 centimeter tall, height of object. H naught stands for the height of an object. So the height of object is 30 centimeters. Is located means image form at 10.5 centimeter. Image form 10.5 centimeter, and 10.5 can be written as 21 over 2. Located, the object is located at an object 30 centimeter tall, located at 10.5 centimeter. P is 10.5 from a concave mirror. Now it is converging mirror. Concave mirror is converging. The focal length and its image will be considered as positive. And the focal length is 16 centimeters. Focal length is equal to 16 centimeters. we have to find two things, that where is the image, mean the distance q between the mirror and the image A, the first part, q is equal to, we have to find. And second thing, how high is it, image height. So two things we have to find. Mirror formula, 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. 1 over f, 1 over q, we have to find the q, therefore we will shift 1 over q on the left hand side and 1 over p, 1 over f on the right hand side. While this come on the right hand side, we take it as a minus. Now, while we place the values in equation, 1 over 16, it is 1 over p minus 1 over 21 over 2. After taking its LCM and simplifying, we get 21 minus 32. LCM is 336. While we simplify this portion, we get minus 11 over 336, means q is equal to minus 336 divided by 11. While we simplify, it comes 30.54 centimeter. The image is 30.54 centimeter, and it is very clear that image formed at least 3 times of the distance of object from the mirror. Now we have to find the second part, the part B, that is height of object. And height of object is given, and we have to find the height of image. This formula is called a magnification formula, and we use m equal to hi divided by ho. Height of image divided by height of object is the same as that of the ratio of the image from mirror and object from mirror. By rearranging this equation, we can find that height of image is equal to q over p into h. By placing the value 30.54 divided by 10.5, it is the value of q over p. Multiplication, sign of multiplication, height of object is given, that is 30 centimeter, and when we multiply both of this and divide by 10.5, we acquire the value of height, image of height, that is 87.26 centimeter. Thank you, boy. God bless you. Have a nice day. Hopefully tomorrow we will solve the next number. God bless you.